Alright. The shop store told me that it has been delivered in the mailbox. Oh, let's see. Oh. That looks it. Alright, let's get this thing opened. These are first editions as well. This is not a sponsorship or anything, I just... well, I don't even have the subscribers to even have a sponsorship, but it's really cool. This is really cool stuff. So, I got Banjo and Knuckles. These look really cool. Yeah, so basically, if you don't know what these are like, the characters themselves are magnets, and you can put them in the background. Because they made the background out of metal. It's pretty cool. Because the designs are, all the designs are really unique and special, and then they're also pretty, they should be pretty easy to make room for. They don't cover much room because it's like, you can put them on your fridge or even your wall, because I believe they have like this thing you can put on them that I think it'll tell me on here. Come on, Banjo, let's get out. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, so they have two sides that you can use. I'm probably gonna always be using the actual background, but hold on. This, I think... Oh, okay. A scratch reward. Huh. Interesting. Join the exciting world of Figgyz. Yeah. Okay. So then... So... You can see we got these in the back. Then we got this, which I believe is what you put in the back of that, so that it can stick. So we got Banjo. Then we got this, and then it should stick to like a fridge or anything metal. Looks really cool. And I'm gonna open Knuckles before I put them on my mini fridge. I'll put this aside for now. Clean up everything from Banjo. Okay. My boy Knuckles is next. It's really cool. If you have the money, they're like $15 each, and basically the more you get in one cart, the less they will cost in shipping. And I believe when you get a certain amount, the shipping is completely free. No, yeah, I'm not joking. It's pretty cool, pretty unique, and but yeah, I just got to because, you know, I don't have the money right now to be doing that. Especially if I want to get the Switch. Okay. So here's my boy Knuckles. He looks so cool. It's just the classic, it's classic Knuckles, not like the, modern Knuckles. I hope they do it at some point. They do have a secret wave of, characters that look so familiar, but, doesn't look like Knuckles is with them, but, it's just they'll have multiple waves of the same franchise, so they'll probably have him in it at some point. But yeah, he looks pretty cool right there. Then the other background is just that. But wait, I probably need to. There we go. Okay, yep. There we go. Now that's gonna stick. I need to do the same to Banjo. Hold on. Yeah, so Banjo right now has Banjo himself, of course, and Kazooie. And then they also have a Gruntilda. The Sonic series has, of course, Sonic, Tails, Knuckles, and Metal. All the classics. They also, right now, I believe, some they've revealed, but they aren't out yet. Hold on. I forgot the one for... Earn points and stuff. Okay, so this is for the Figgyz app they have. Well, that I don't know if it's out yet. I don't think so. I'll check though. But either way, Okay, I'm gonna stop myself right there because I got a few informations wrong. So I'm just gonna show you guys the waves are out right now and the drops will be coming soon. So enjoy and see what you want. Either I believe they might have Persona out right now, though that could be not available. But yeah, you guys could probably check it out right now. And they also have a social media app called Figgyz World, which I'm on. Yeah. These are really cool. And can't wait to see what else they have. You can also, in Figgyz World, suggest some series that you would like to see. So, should probably turn a light on. Hold on, guys. So yeah, these are pretty cool. Probably one of the coolest magnet ideas I've seen.